Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Meshack Mate. So congratulations to Bafana for qualifying for FIFA World Cup. Since we last played FIFA World Cup in 2010 and we last qualified in 2002 when Jomo Sono was leading us. So guys, yes, for other nations like your Egypt, your Senegal, your Ghana, for them it is always expected whenever they play, or rather play qualifiers for World Cup, because they've been qualifying for a very long time now. So for us, this is big because yes, imagine for like 22 years we've never qualified. We only played in 2010 just because we were the host nation. So this is big milestone to Bafana in South Africa. But still, we must still fire the team manager. I just forgot his name. We need to fire him for his incompetence, because remember, like the game against Rwanda should have been just a game where we showcase our talent, our young players, the likes of Mdu and all that, because we knew that we are not under pressure. I think we will just need a draw or something, So we really need to fire that guy, because imagine like that 3 points deduction. Imagine if we didn't qualify because of that. So it's better now that we qualified, but we still need to talk. I know South Africans, we easily forget when results are coming right. We forget about the incompetence of people. We easily forget about the incompetence of our politicians. So please, I know that now we are still celebrating. The country is in good mood, but please, we need to fire our team manager. Yes, I know it's a collective. A lot of people were supposed to know, including the likes of Tebogo Mokoena, because a lot of people on social media are criticizing Tebogo Mokoena to say he was supposed to also remember that he was suspended for that match. I'm like, but guys, remember that during those matches, they were also playing the qualifications for AFCON. So maybe Mokoena thought maybe his yellow cards were from AFCON qualifiers, not World Cup qualifiers. So as a player, he also played the Club World Cup. He played what we call CAF Champions League, there's PSL, there's other. So as a player, yes, we might blame him, but not entirely, because he plays a lot of games and his focus is to play football, not to remember data and information. We have people who are supposed to do that, including the team manager. I think even the coach is supposed to, record all that, but the primary job for the team manager is to do that. And even the analysts, what are they analyzing if they can't pick up to say there's this one who has yellow, I can't play today? So really, it was quite disappointing. So we must fire our team manager. Thank you.